Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Infiniti G37 brake pads. First, let's gather all the necessary tools for the job, including a jack, lug wrench, and a socket set. Make sure you have your new brake pads ready, and new rotors if you plan to replace those too. Always prioritize safety by using jack stands and wheel chocks to secure your vehicle before starting any work. Once your car is safely lifted and secured, remove the wheel to access the brake assembly. Next, you'll need to unbolt the brake caliper. There are typically two bolts holding it in place, often 14 mm or 19 mm. Carefully remove the caliper and hang it to avoid stressing the brake line. Now, you can easily slide out the old, worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. Before installing the new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing to make room for the thicker new pads. A C-clamp with an old brake pad works well for this. Then, insert your new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they are seated correctly. Finally, reattach the caliper, making sure to tighten all bolts securely to the manufacturer's specifications. After installing the new pads and wheels, pump your brake pedal several times until it feels firm again. This restores pressure to the caliper pistons. Then, take your Infiniti G37 for a careful test drive at low speeds to ensure everything is working correctly. Listen for any unusual noises and check braking performance. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.